Don't pull on each other. Remember, no touching in the water. Be careful. He's just swimming in circles.
No, Dill, no touching.
Yeah. Gotta be careful because you don't want your head to go under. Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
What?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
He's videotaping you, Dory. Show me how Dory swims.
Mouthful.
Good job, Jackie. You're alright. Doing so good. Kick, kick, kick.
Yeah.
Kick, kick, kick. Kick your legs. She's going.
Yeah, Jackson's a better swimmer than Dylan, I think.
This is so weird because this is literally only the second time that he's ever really gone in with arm floaties. Last time when we came out here was the first time.
Look at Layla. You're tired? You got the string, Layla. Yeah, he's way far out.
He's all over the place.